So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel again. I am Shandeep Chaudhary. Today I will discuss about the center of the earth. At first I want to say you, if you are new to my channel, please like, subscribe and click the bell button to get my video first. So I am going on. So guys, very few of you notice that the earth is not a solid sphere. Probably I think. Earthquake or volcanic eruption show that the structure inside the earth is very complex. The lower part of the crust is known as the mantle. The lower part of the mantle is called the two-tiered core of the earth. The crust is a thin solid rock coating which is only a few kilometers thick. The crust is as thick as an apple's husk. The crust is basically of two types, oceanic and continental. The oceanic crust is at the bottom of the ocean at an average of 7 km thick. This oceanic crust is young in age and no part of it is more than 200 million years old. The continental crust is below the continent if too much. Their thickness is 50 km. The continental crust is quite ancient. The mantle covers most of the interior of the earth. This level extends from 30 to 2890 km deep. Going deeper into the mantle, the temperature gradually rises to 4500 degrees Celsius. The mantle rock is so hot that it always boils like a thick solution heated on the stove. This movement of liquid rock is known as mantle convection current. Beneath the mantle is a core made of hot melted iron and nickel. The outer part of the core is in molten state and temperature here is 4500 degrees Celsius to 6000 degrees Celsius. The inside of the core is hotter. This part is difficult because the pressure here is 6000 times higher than the surface. But in 1983 scientists in Russia, in the former Soviet Union, dug the deepest hole in the earth's crust on the Kola Peninsula. The depth of this hole named SG3 was 12,261 meters. The temperature of the rock there was measured at 210 degrees Celsius. Leave those, I am going on. Only at the time of the eruption we can see the hot molten rock of the mantle. Some places on the crust are called hot spots. It is there that the hot rock of the mantle reaches near the surface. Then it came out and gave birth to a volcano. So guys, today's was my arrangement so far. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please hurry up. My prayer is that everyone will be fine until my next video comes in. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.